Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enhance your photo on the Remini. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Remini app, and after opening the Remini app, what we need to do, we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. And after that, as you can see, we have to choose the photo, that which photo you want to enhance. For example, I'm going to choose this photo. Let's suppose I'm going to choose this photo here. So as you can see, this is now. Let's click on the enhance, and it will take few seconds in enhancing. So as you can see now, this is the enhancing. You can see the before and after result, like it was before and now it's after. As you can see, this is the result. So in this way you can enhance your photos on the Remini. So now what you have to do, simply you just have to click on the download, and after clicking on the download, this photo will be downloaded. So as you can see, we have to click on the done. So in this way you can enhance your photos on the Remini. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can enhance your photos on the Remini. So see you in the next video.